Step into the serene beauty of nature's symphony, an abstract artwork celebrating the harmonious interplay of plants and trees in a tranquil landscape. Soft color gradients sweep across the canvas, infusing the scene with warmth and serenity. Earthy tones of beige, gray, yellow, green, and black blend seamlessly against a simple landscape background, creating an elegant, calming atmosphere. Meticulously rendered in a minimalist style, intricate details of leaves, branches, and foliage capture organic beauty with precision and grace. High-resolution vector quality ensures every detail shines, inviting you to immerse in nature's timeless tranquility.